come back to the disk drive. The disk drive on these, they have 3 main screws, 2 up here, 1 down here. Those are Phillips screws. You're going to want to take all 3 of those off. Once you have those off, then you can lift this up and it comes out. There's a little tab here. I don't know if you saw it, but it links under there on this side. Take this up, get a paper towel with some isopropyl alcohol, and clean up that felt a little bit. Come in with a Q-tip and clean this other side here. I'll clean the laser first. And then come down here, and these rollers, you want to hit these pretty good. Get them nice and saturated. Kind of help revitalize them. Then you come in over here, and that'll turn them. Turn it a little bit, and then come in and I had somebody walk in the shop, so I had to help them. Then I finished cleaning this off camera. You just keep rotating it with this. Rotate it a little bit, wipe it down, rotate it a little bit, wipe it down until you have everything cleaned and more saturated. And then get a little Q-tip with some alcohol and gently touch up your laser. Then you can come back to this, take that Q-tip and just kind of gently clean up behind that felt. Maybe hit the front a little bit more. That was like entirely off camera. Sorry about that. Just want to clean that up a little bit more off camera. Then you can take this and snap that back into place. Make sure it's sitting under here well. And then you can put your 3 screws back in. Alright, once you have those 3 screws